Guys, we're gonna do a little comparison video of these two chainsaws. We have an electric cordless lithium-ion powered from Walmart, I believe, and then we have a small Stihl chainsaw of comparable size. Gonna see how they do cutting through some of this wood. First, we'll try out this neat little unit. It's very lightweight. It has a 14-inch bore. See how it goes. Pretty impressive for a cordless machine. They've made great strides in the batteries. For homeowners, I think they're the way to go. No have to worry about mixing gas and no oil. You always have power ready to go. And we'll try the gas one. Off the bat difference, the electric one has instant start, very light, very easy to use. The gas one, a little bit harder to get going, especially when it's cold. Have to let it warm up. Once you get it warmed up though, it cuts real well. Both are good choice. I'm partial to gas myself as more of a professional user, but for homeowners, I think the electric would win simply for the ease of use. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. You guys be the judge. See you on the next one.